Hi, good morning. Let's cook another pad thai recipe. Hi there. So if you observe for the past Luto vlog that we uploaded, I've been cooking pad thai. So we had two pad thai recipes already that I'm trying to satisfy myself. I mean, how I prepare and cook it. So first was the chicken pad thai and the second was sardines pad thai. So these two pad thais I've made, I will say it mistakes, but those are learning mistakes, learning curve as what they've said. So we were gonna learn from those mistakes and apply it into our third pad thai dish, and that would be beef pad thai. So I want to explore different types of pad thai, since the original pad thai is usually shrimp. And alright, anyway, so here's the thing. For the chicken pad thai, our biggest mistake there was I honestly forgot to put egg. So pad thai is supposed to have eggs, okay? And then the sardines pad thai, there's so much that I should have learned from it, because the pad thai, at first the noodle was so soggy and it breaks it. It's not the pad thai that were the texture of rice noodle that we want. And then the sardines itself, I should have put the sardines later so that it wouldn't be mushy, and I should have fried the egg well. So, but the taste, they're both fine actually. Surprisingly, the sauce, they're fine, but the texture, it's not. You can't enjoy that kind of pad thai, I think. But compared to the sardines pad thai and chicken pad thai, I prefer the chicken pad thai because the texture is there. It's just that the egg is absent. So in our third pad thai, I hope that the result will satisfy what I'm imagining. Wait, what am I imagining anyway? So I'm imagining a delicious pad thai, not so soggy, not so dry. It's in between, and of course it should be spicy and a little tangy. So the taste is fine. It's just that the texture that I want to achieve has not yet been achieved. Okay, anyway, I've been talking a lot, and let's enjoy this recipe.
I lay down and I play dead and I